color channels. Computer screens use a combination of red, green, and blue to produce all of the displayable colors for each pixel. In Python, manipulating colors is a matter of specifying the amount of red, green, and blue to be combined to create a new color. Each of the color channels is allocated 8 bits for specifying a shade. The red channel has 8 bits from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. The green channel has 8 bits from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the blue channel has the same range of bit values. Here's a question. How many bits are stored in a pixel? The answer is 24. Instead of working in the binary, let's use decimal values to determine the range of values for each color channel. Converting from binary to decimal. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in binary is 0 in decimal. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in binary is 255 in decimal. So, the range of values for each color channel is from 0 to 255, for a total of 256 shades for each of the red, green, and blue color channels. Let's isolate the red channel for a moment and keep the green and blue channel values at 0 and just change the red value. When the red value is 0, the least amount of red light gets through. By increasing the value of the red channel, the shade of the pixel changes to a lighter shade of red. When the red value is 255, the most amount of red light gets through. Working with all 3 channels, there are 256 shades of gray. When red is 0, green is 0, and blue is 0, the resulting color is black. When all 3 color channels are the same value, the resulting color is a shade of gray. When working with color channels in code, we combine 3 decimal values inside parentheses and separate it by commas. An RGB value of 0, 0, 0 produces a black pixel. An RGB value of 127, 127, 127 produces a gray pixel. An RGB value of 255, 255, 255 produces a white pixel. To recap, color channels. Each pixel consists of 3 light channels, 1 for red light, 1 for green light, and 1 for blue light. Each color channel has a range of 256 values. When all 3 color values are 0, the pixel is black. When all 3 color values are 255, the pixel is white. When all 3 color values are the same, the pixel is a shade of gray.